So in the following video we're going to look at another screen capture tool, and that is a tool called screencast-o-matic. So if you want, you can just search in Google for screencast-o-matic, or you can go to screencast-o-matic.com. When you go to screencast-o-matic, you don't have to pay for this tool. So there is a free option of using the tool. So on the left hand side over here, so we have just click start recording to record. So this is a one-click screen capture recording for both Windows and Mac. Keep in mind that you should make sure that you're updating your browser. So in my case, I go up to Firefox, down to About, and I'm on version 20. If not, there would be some update options here. You should also make sure that you're running the most recent version of Java. I go over to this other tab, I go to java.com, and I can download and install Java on my computer, making sure to restart my browser, then going over to screencast-o-matic.com and clicking on the Start Recording. You will get some pop-ups because this is running an applet, so do you want to run this application? You can go ahead and click Run. Now you should have the Screencast-o-matic application running on your computer. In the middle of the screen here we see drag and resize this frame to surround the recording area. So if you click on the little box or the white box in the middle here, you can click and move the recordable area. So the recordable area is the little dotted line that you see on the outside edge. If you want to change the dimensions, you will just click on one of the little white boxes and be able to drag the recordable area around whatever it is that you're trying to record. Now down here in the bottom left we have the Start Recording button. Next to that we have the microphone, so if you have a headset or if you have any other recording device, you can choose that. We have the Set Microphone Volume, we have the Select Size to Capture, we have Select a Webcam, and then we have Cancel Recording. Now the one that I want to emphasize on right now is going to be Select Size to Capture. So let's go ahead and click on that, and we have Full HD, Medium HD, and Small HD. For this size of screen, so I'm a 13-inch MacBook Pro, if I choose Medium HD, that gives us a decent area to work with, and that's going to allow us to record at dimensions that are 16 by 9. We also want to make sure that when we're publishing this that we actually save it out as 1280 by 720. So we want to make sure that we're using either the Full HD, Medium HD, or Small HD. I'd probably go ahead and choose the Medium HD. Then drag this box to surround the area that you want to record. So I'm going to go ahead and just get to the edge of my browser in the upper left. Then I'm going to resize my browser to actually fit inside the area. And so now I would click on the record button in the lower left. I'll get a 3, 2, 1 countdown. And now we have our screen capture going. When we're done, in the lower left we can actually pause this. Actually, if you wanted to pause something, we could restart, or we can click on Done. This allows you to record up to 15 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Done. And we actually get a preview dialog box where we can click on the play button to play back what it is that we just recorded. We can publish the Screencast-o-matic if you created an account with Screencast-o-matic. We can publish directly to a YouTube channel if you already have your own channel, or we can publish to a video file. I'm going to choose Publish to a Video File. And I really want to make sure that I choose the HD size, the 1280 by 720. That size is pretty standard 16 by 9 size of video. So when we go to upload this to YouTube later, or if we try to upload it to one of our other channels, that we're keeping the 16 by 9 and we're actually doing saving this document as 1280 by 720. So I'm going to go ahead. At this point we have no notes, we have no captions or other options that we want to play around with this video, so we can go ahead and just click on Save Video. I'm going to just call this video 1 and click on Save. and screencast-o-matic is saving the video file that we just created. We now see that we have video1.mp4, and if we close out or quit screencast-o-matic, we can go over and play this video one, and now we see that we have our video that we created using screencast-o-matic. We can now take this video and bring it into an editing software if we wanted, like iMovie, or we can just go ahead and just use it as is.